my time, you are I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. Going to look at three quality ETFs out there: MOAT, QMIX, and QUAL. They're a true global exposure. They're not a VGS or a pure, Nasdaq following or S&P 500 IVV. I think these three ETFs are true sort of world global. So they're all going to be in a bit of a downturn, but if guidance to what type of price you might want to pick it up at. So let's start with MOAT. That's what it's all about. I won't go through what they're all about because it'll be good research for you, or you probably know about them. So MOAT slowed down. It stopped making highs. It's touching this big trend line. So I suspect it's going to break this trend line. So we're looking at monthly charts. So I reckon you wait for it to come down here, 117, and then wait for price action. So price action means you want to see something like this. So red bar, you want to see a green bar. So I think in all this downturn, I don't know where it's going to finish. It could drop past this, but I think the secret's going to be looking for a green bar and start off at a weekly level if you want for a bit of confidence. If you can get a couple of green weekly bars, then that's probably a good sign to get in. But who knows with Trump out there at the moment. Alright, so MOAT coming up to potential good opportunity. Okay, QMIX tracks the World Quality Index. Like most ETFs, they track an index. Well, that's been pretty bullish. Headed above the this longer term trend line, doing a bit better than MOAT. It formed a little short term trend line, so a pullback to 31 would still keep the long term trend in place. Worst case, pullback to 28. That'd be a buy of a lifetime probably. But again, like I said, wait for some green bars to come in before you pick the bottom. And QUAL. Okay, so QUAL's had a beautiful uptrend line. Did dip out of it during this period here, but then roared back. Broken this shorter term trend channel. Looks like it's going to break through this support line here. So you wait for it to come back down to 52, and then again, wait for some monthly green bars to come in. I think like the consensus is this will be a good time to pick up some good cheap stocks, cheap ETFs with quality companies underneath them. But I'm still sticking to my gold calls. But if you're not into gold and you're into quality ETFs, then I think these three are good to go. Alright, thank you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just to know that there's plenty of videos on my homepage. I've got a section on videos on the gold silver series and why I'm bullish on them. A section on Aussie miners, a section on ETFs ready to buy or sell, a section on shares ready to buy or sell, some forecasts of the market in there, some crackers, some reviews of what the experts tell you and how much crap they can talk, some educational videos, some charting education videos, some videos on how my performance is going to show I know what I'm talking about, and some videos on crypto. So how can you get there easily? in the description page of each video. Just click on down here and that'll take you there. Thanks a lot.
Never waste my time. You are